Text classification is a popular application of natural language processing (NLP) that involves automatically categorizing text data into predefined categories or classes. In the context of study content, text classification can be used to automatically tag or categorize documents, articles, or other types of study materials into specific subjects or topics. This can help students and researchers quickly find relevant content and streamline their study process. There are different approaches to text classification in NLP, but one common technique is machine learning. In machine learning-based text classification, a computer model is trained on a dataset of labeled text examples, where each example is associated with a predefined category or class. The model learns to identify patterns in the text that are associated with each category, and then uses these patterns to predict the category of new, unseen text data. To apply text classification to study content, you would first need to define the categories or topics that you want to classify your documents into. For example, you might define categories such as mathematics, history, biology, or literature. You would then need to collect a dataset of text examples that are labeled with these categories. This dataset can be created manually, by tagging documents yourself, or automatically, by using existing metadata or keywords. Once you have a labeled dataset, you can train a machine learning model using algorithms such as naive Bayes, support vector machines, or neural networks. The model can then be used to predict the category of new, unseen documents, based on the patterns it has learned from the training data. Text classification can be a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing study content, but it is important to note that it is not perfect. The accuracy of text classification models can vary depending on the quality and quantity of the training data, the complexity of the text data being classified, and other factors. Therefore, it is important to evaluate the performance of your text classification model and refine it over time to improve its accuracy. Named Entity Recognition (NER) is a popular application of natural language processing (NLP) that involves automatically identifying and extracting named entities, such as names, locations, organizations, and dates, from text data. In the context of study content, NER can be used to extract important entities from study materials, such as the names of people, places, and events, to facilitate more effective and efficient study. To apply NER to study content, you would first need to select an NLP library or tool that includes NER functionality. Some popular NLP libraries with NER capabilities include NLTK, Spacy, and Stanford NLP. You would then need to provide the NER tool with a dataset of text examples that you want to analyze. The NER tool will then use machine learning algorithms to identify and extract named entities from the text data. Depending on the specific tool you are using, the extracted entities may be categorized into different types, such as person, organization, location, or date. Once you have extracted the named entities from your study content, you can use this information to facilitate more effective study. For example, you might use the extracted names of people or organizations to identify key figures or players in a historical event, or use the extracted locations to map out the geography of a specific region. It is important to note that the accuracy of NER tools can vary depending on the quality and complexity of the text data being analyzed. Therefore, it is important to evaluate the performance of your NER tool and refine it over time to improve its accuracy.